We've seen over the past year, more and more people wanting to integrate fire alarms into access control. It's quicker and easier to get to all those doors. Very simply, it's one connection out the fire panel into the master controller of VOLO. That releases all the doors that are connected to all the controllers. Previously, you would have to independently wire from your fire alarm to each door. So it's quicker and easier to do. Better for event reporting, you've got better event reporting, better notification that alert has happened because you can get an email, so the fire alarm's gone off as well. So you can upgrade that fire package with inside VOLO from the standard fire alarm that wasn't able to give you the intelligent fire alarms of today. We found working with the VOLO community was that people were saying they wanted more from that integration, better identification of where that fire alarm was coming from. Previously it used to be it just gave the serial number of the master controller. Now today it gives the serial number, it gives the site name, it gives the customer name, it gives all that information so people now know it's no longer controller number 1234, it's controller 1234 at CIE house. That's the type of mentality to give that, and we process that clear command far quicker and give a better indication. So stuff that people wanted to see from us over the years. It's a software update, it's retrofittable. Everything we do in terms of that was done around that software element because that information was already there. We just had to expand more data and make it more visible. So part of that is to upgrade that fire alarm as well, which was, for me, it was key because this is it's a life preservation service that we're trying to do. It's important we get people there very quickly, we manage it properly, we get the reset function done well as well. So it's something that's gone down very well. The minute a VOLO system is connected to the fire alarm now, when that fire alarm activates, that pop-up box, that new pop-up box is there automatically. Nobody needs to do anything and it's much, much more visible, easier to hit the clear command. Previously, the reset fire alarm command, it would still stay in the middle and block you from doing anything else. That populates up into the top right-hand corner, tells you it's processing, shows it, allows you to get on with the rest of the system while that fire alarm is being reset, which was important because if you're an estate manager who looks after 10, 20 sites, you don't want to be blocked from getting to your other sites because of one fire alarm. So that's one of the reasons we did that. We also did it to allow us to enhance our muster reporting as well. So all those things were interlinked to make it better and that user experience far better. We talk all the time about how we make VOLO better, and this was one of the things we wanted to do.